Hey buddy, as you can see I got a little project I'm doing. Uh, Redoing my garage, and I it had old paneling from the 70s. I ripped it out, and I love this blackboard stuff. That's a good material anyway, but it's held up good. I had a few problems, and anyway I had to fix, and I just put new insulation in, and the insulation was in really bad shape. Um, Still got a lot of damage. I'm replacing the windows. Windows are golly are bad shape. What's going on with this is I want to show you is this garage, this wall right here. Well, the whole garage, but this wall especially is it was not on 16-inch centers. So I'm going to sheetrock this, and then so when I put my sheetrock up, the joints wouldn't have a stud on them. So I had to put a stud on it, and man, right now getting 2x4s and stuff, they're a stupid high, and getting good quality ones is kind of hard around my area anyway. But the one I had is anyway, the 2x4 was bowed, and so I just wanted to show you how I straightened it out and got the bow out of it, and because if you have a bow in your wall while you're putting your sheetrock up, you know your sheetrock will be bowed, and that's just no good. So here's what I did, and like I say, it kind of looks. I just took this old scrap piece of wood, and because this was the one that was bowed, okay, and I took and screwed it to this stud, screwed it to that stud. That way it'd be straight, and I had somebody help me, and basically I pushed it in as hard as I could, and I screwed it to this was straight. And so, and then I took and made me a little spacer, okay, right there, and I took some shims. I shimmed it where it wouldn't, like when I screwed it, it wouldn't jive the 2x4 at all. And then I just put screws in it here. Okay, and then up here I put another screw that's kind of gonna hold it in spot, and then I did the same thing down here. So anyway, and now I'm gonna take this piece off, and anyway, that should do it. That's all you gotta do to straighten out a stud in a wall that's bowed. And like I say, I could cut some of the wood off with a saw. Didn't want to do that if I had to do that before, but I didn't want to have to do that. You know, that wasn't bowed that bad, but it was bowed enough that I didn't want to leave it on there for the sheetrock. Yeah, so when you get renovating an older home, you know, you run into problems like that, and it's just a little trick maybe to help. All right, I got the wood off, and she's pretty much flush. All right. That's what I done. I ain't pretty, but it works. So, yeah, my dad taught me that little trick years ago. So, thought I'd just pass it along. And it works really good. So, anyway, just put a lot of screws in it because, like, all the way down to support it. Yeah, because you don't want that thing moving on you. But anyway, all right, cool. Well, there's several other ways to fix a bent stud. This was just one. The stud was it wasn't bent very much. So it's kind of a pretty easy fix. Now, if it's bent a whole lot, you wouldn't want to do what I done. You'd want to actually make a cut in your 2x4 and put pieces of support on each side of it, which I'll have to make another video for that one. But anyway, for one, it's not bent very much, but you just don't want to leave it. This would work great for you. So that's it. I hope this helps you, and God bless, and River Jumper out. See you on my next adventure.